for time. Now, at is used for precise time. For our example, we will use 10:50 a.m., which we will write at 10:50 a.m. And we will also use at midnight. On is used for days or dates. Now, dates, for example, we will use on Sunday or on August 11th. In we use in for months, years, and seasons. For example, in the winter and in December. Now, let's do this again. At is used for precise time, which, for example, at 10:50 a.m. Also, we can use it for at midnight. On is used for days and dates. For example, on Sunday, on August 11th. In is used for months, years, and seasons. For example, in the winter and in December. Okay, everyone, I hope you understand. And bye-bye.